Hey, right. Hey, welcome, class. Photo 2, week 5. This week is going to be all about working with color profiles, learning how these work, and different ways that we can profile our system so that you can start to have really accurate color in your workflow. So, if we were meeting in person, we would be getting to use this super cool device. This is a spectrometer that allows us to color profile monitors. We can profile printers and that kind of thing. So if we were profiling a printer, we'd be printing out test charts like this and building profiles with these test charts. I've got an ebook for you to go through about color profiling that's going to walk you through kind of color workflow steps. And for those of you who are in video and doing design and photography, all of that, color profiling is so important because it's going to be the thing that everything's got to go to an output device. So this is the color passport checker, and we'll be talking about how to use this with photography and cutting custom white balance and that kind of thing with it. So this is a tool that I use all the time in the studio. All right. This week you've got, we're going to talk about using layers in Photoshop to make your images into black and white and ways of doing that and subtly working through things. That video series that I produced is a little on the long side. It's got 3 pieces. I did a great job in that photo with the photo that I picked of having a bunch of problems that I had to work through. And so I decided that you guys are going to just have to sit there and kind of watch me work through the problems. So take your time through that. The third video really kind of compresses it in and we get to that end result, but it really shows the fact that you might have a place of where you want to get to, but getting there is not always a straightforward path and it can be a little squiggly at times. So hang there. Wednesday we have our weekly class check-in, and then for photography wise, you are working on your personal interest project right now, and so you're going to be shooting that. And your photos for that are due the end of this week, May 9th. And then we'll be editing our photographs next week. And so you'll be getting feedback on that from me and your classmates. Yeah, it's going to be a fun week. Start thinking about your final projects as well. They're going to be, we'll be transitioning into that here starting next week and starting into that zone. This weekend, I will be doing a ton of grading, so you'll be getting a bunch of that work back to you here real soon as well. So I hope you guys are all hanging in there and staying safe and doing well. The weather is getting really nice, so get out there, get some fresh air, and yeah, keep up with your schoolwork. All right, thanks, guys.